Good morning, children. Welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to learn subtraction by counting backwards. Hello friends. Do you remember me? Yes, I am a minus, symbol for subtraction. Taking away less than. How many left? Subtract. All these are the keywords related to subtraction. And difference is the answer of the subtraction sum. So this is all the terminology used while doing subtraction. So students, you are able to see on your screen the hot air balloons, and each balloon has counting numbers, that is 1 to 20. So today we are going to learn backward counting from 20 to 0. So let's start counting from backward from 20. So 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So counting back from 20 is so much fun. Subtraction on number line by backward counting. You are able to see on your screen a number line with the numbers 0 to 10. Now we can start how we can subtract on a number line by a backward counting. To subtract 8 minus 3 means we have to take number 3 from number 8, means here number 8 is the greater number than 3, so we can circle number 8. So here we can circle number 8. Now we have to take away 3 numbers from number 8. So for that we will do backward counting, means we have to take 3 steps backward. So we can start at 8 and we can take the first step and we reach on number 7. After 7 we can take one more step backward and we reach on number 6. Then one more step backward, we can reach on number 5. So we have taken 3 steps backward and we reach at number 5. So we can say that 8 minus 3 is equal to number 5, means the difference between 8 and 3 is 5. Now let's do one more example. Subtraction on number line by backward counting. Here also the numbers are written, that is 0 to 10 on the number line. To subtract 9 minus 6. So what is the first step? Yes, we have to find out which is the greater number between 9 and 6. So 9 is the greater number. So we can start backward counting start at 9, means we have to go in the backward direction, means we have to go from 9 to 0. And how many steps we have to go back? Yes, we have to go back 6 steps, means we have to count 6 backwards. So let's start from number 9 and we start counting backward from 9 to 0 direction, means the backward direction. So we can take the first step, then we reach number 8, then 7, then 6, 5, 4, and 3, means we have taken 6 steps in the backward direction and we reach at number 3. So we can say that 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Or you can say that when we take away 6 from 9, the answer is 3. Here is a beautiful garden on your screen and few butterflies are sitting on the flowers. So can you tell me how many butterflies are there in the garden? Yes, you are correct. There are 7 butterflies. After some time, one butterfly flew away. So how many butterflies are left? Yes, you are correct. There are 6 butterflies in the garden. So we have subtracted 1 from 7. Remember, we have taken away 1 from 7 and we have done backward counting, means 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. After some time, one more butterfly flew away. So again we have to take away 1 from 6. So we count 1 backward and we reach on number 5. You are correct. Now, after some time, one more butterfly flew away. So again, we have to count 1 backward and we reach on number 4. So in all, 3 butterflies flew away from the garden. Means we have to take away 3 from number 7. Or you can say that subtract 3 from 7. So when we subtract 3 from 7 or when we have take away 3 from 7, we get difference as 4, means 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. One little girl named Sarah invited 5 friends to her house to play board games, and she offered donuts to her friends during snack time. Each friend had taken one donut. How many donuts are left with her? We have to find how many donuts are left with Sarah. How do you find? Yes, by subtraction. So today we are find the answer by subtraction by backward counting. So let's start. So there are total how many donuts? Yes, 10 donuts are there. And there are 5 friends and each friend has taken one donut. So let's start backward counting from 10. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So we have to minus 10 minus how much? Yes, 5 donuts were taken by the friends. So 10 minus 5. So we can subtract 5 from 10. How many donuts are left on your screen? Yes, tell me the number. Yes, you are correct. There are 5 donuts left with Sarah. So we can say that 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Or we can say when we take away number 5 from number 10, 5 is the answer or 5 is the difference. So Sarah is left with 5 turns. Let's see one more example. Dia had 6 crayons. She used 4 crayons. How many crayons are left? So total number of crayons are 6 and she used only 4 crayons. Means we have to take out number 4 from number 6. So we can do the subtraction to find the number of crayons left. So we can do the subtraction by backward counting. From which number we can start backward counting? Can you tell me? Yes, you are correct. From number 6. So let's start. Backward counting 4. We have to count 4 backwards. 6, 5, 4, 3. So how many crayons are left? Yes, 2 crayons are left. Subtraction by counting backwards. There are 5 sweets on your screen and no sweets are taken away. Means I left with 5 sweets. So we can write as 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Or we can say that whenever we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number as the difference, or a number minus 0 always equals the same number. Let's see one more example. On your screen you are able to see 6 smiley stars stickers. I have distributed all the stickers among the students. So I left with no stickers. So we can say that 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Or we can say that when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. A number minus the same number always equals 0. Subtraction by backward counting. On your screen you are able to see few cars are parked in the parking lot. After few hours, 2 cars left the parking. So how many cars are left in the parking? Let's find out the number of cars left in the parking. So we can do the subtraction to find out the number of cars left in the parking. So 8 minus 2. Let's subtract by counting back. So we can start counting back from number 8. So let's do it. 8, 7, and so how many cars are left in the car parking area? Yes, you are correct. There are 6 cars left in the car parking area. Now let's see one more example. There are few coffee mugs on your screen. Let's find out how many coffee mugs are there. Yes, there are 9 coffee mugs. 5 of the mugs are broken. How many coffee mugs are left? Let's subtract by counting back. So start 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So what is 9 minus 5 equal to? Yes, it's 4. So 4 coffee mugs are left with us. Now is the practice time. You have to draw and color the objects and then solve the subtraction sum by counting backwards. Let's see one example how you will solve in your notebook. I will take number 1 as an example. So total, how many flowers are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total 7 flowers are there, and you have to take away 4 from the 7. So we can do the backward counting. Let's subtract by backward counting. 7, 6, 5, 4. How many flowers are left? Yes, you are correct. There are 3 flowers left. So in the similar way, you can do other parts also in your notebook and enjoy. Thank you.